All right, let's continue with our rhythm lesson. Remember, rhythms are how long or short a note is held. I know last time I said last, and I got to thinking about it. I thought, wait a minute, we said held because I remember when you were little, I'd have you hug yourself like you were held already. So remember, rhythm is how long or short, and long and short has to do with duration. So you might see sometimes somebody said, "What's the duration of your class?" And if your class is an hour long, you would say the duration of my class is an hour. So if I ask you what's the duration of a whole note, you would say the duration of a whole note is 4 beats. All right, got a few more things I need for us to work on. All right, and that is 16th notes today. So we're going to work on some 16th notes. Now, so far, this would be like 4 eighth notes connected together. All right. If I just left it like this would be T, 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 T. And it is possible in music you would see 4 eighth notes being together at the top. It's possible. It happens sometimes. They're not always just T, T, separation, T, T. But if you see a double beam, that changes everything. That means that this is a 16th note. This is a 16th note. And each one of these gets a fourth of a beat. 1/4. And when we see this, we're going to say T, re, T, re. So T, re is what we're going to say on that. Now, some of you may be wondering, well, is there a rest that is just worth 1/4 of a beat? Talk about short. That is short. And this is a 16th rest. It looks like, whoa, now that looks like an 8th rest, right? Well, just like this has 2 beams, this has 2 flags. So this is a 16th rest. All right, let's come up with some new things. All right, today we're going to also look at creating a rhythm song. We're going to be using a time signature. A time signature tells us how many beats are in the measure. So, time signature is at the beginning of the song. Alrighty. And a time signature tells me how many beats are in each measure. So this 4 tells me that there are 4 beats per measure. And this 4 tells me that the quarter note gets the beat or the pulse. All right. Hopefully you're remembering this. This should still be a review. 4/4 time signature. 4 beats per measure. A quarter note gets the beat. Each measure is divided up into bar lines. And who can remember what's drawn at the very end of a song? It has to do with the bar line, but what is it at the very end of the song? I think I hear Trace and Scott saying double bar line. That's right. A double bar line tells me it is the end of the song. Double bar line. Now, together we're going to create a measure or 2. Alrighty, so we're going to create a measure or 2 that has 4 beats in each measure. So I can pick from any of the rhythms that we've learned so far. Alrighty, so I think I'm going to go with this. I think my first beat is going to be 16th notes. Teary, teary. Now, all together, that gets 1 beat. Because a fourth plus a fourth plus a fourth plus a fourth, whew, that equals 1. Who knew? All right, and then I think I'm going to do a quarter note. Quarter note gets 1. And I don't want to forget a rest. I think I'm going to throw a rest in there. That's a quarter rest. It gets 1. Now, 1, 2, 3. I can only have 4 beats in my measure. So I think I'm going to do another quarter note. Now, tiri tiri ta, sh, ta. Now, that's 4 beats, so I need to draw my bar line. Understand? Second measure. I think I'm going to do an eighth note pair and another rest. Ta, ta. So that's worth 1. Quarter rest is worth 1. Quarter note's 1. 1. Ti, ti, sh, ta, ta. 4 beats, so I need to draw my bar line. Okay, let's keep going. Let's draw some more. I got my bar line down here. Let's do a quarter note, and then let's do a half rest. That's 1, and that's 2, and then let's do another quarter note. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, bar line. And then, I love those tiri tiris. Let's do some more of those. 16th notes. Tiri tiri ta, ta, ta. Now this is the end. So what do I draw at the end? A double bar line. Double bar line at the end. So if I were to go over my song that I just created, it'd be tiri tiri ta, sh, ta, ti ti, sh, ta, 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 sh, ta, tiri tiri ta, 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 double bar line. Oh, I forgot to put my numbers down there. All together, this is 1, this is 1, 1, 1. All of that equals 4. Now, if I were to clap this out, it would be tiri tiri ta, sh, ta, ti ti, sh, ta, 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 sh, ta, tiri tiri ta, 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 done. Let's do that together one more time. Let's slow the tempo down a little bit. Ready? 1, 2, together. Let's go. Tiri tiri ta, sh, ta, ti ti, sh, ta, 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 sh, ta, tiri tiri ta, 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 done. All right. So this lesson, we've done 16th note, 16th rest. We've learned that there are time signatures, and for this one, there is a 3-4, a 2-4, but for this one, 4 beats per measure, quarter note gets the beat. This is a bar line, double bar line, and then we created our own rhythm song. All right. I know this was quick, but hey, you can rewind the video and watch it as many times as you want to. And always, if you're having troubles, just email me and we can set up a Google Meet. All right. See you guys later.